This is the breathing exercise that we did in the warm-up video of the weeks 1 to 3. If you feel comfortable and relaxed with it, proceed to the next one. Okay, place your hands above your waist, where you feel the ends of your ribs. Inhale. Feel your chest open and expand. Hold a bit. And exhale, feel them drop. One more time. Breathe again. Spread the ribs as far as they go. Hold. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Hold your ribs, but keep your throat open. Hold. And breathe out. Okay. We're gonna do 4 count breathing in. We're gonna hold for 4 and exhale. And we're gonna do it 3 times in a row. Okay? I'm gonna count you into 4. 1, 2, 3, and breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 3, 4. Breathe out. One more. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 3, 4. Breathe out. Okay. Breathing exercises can be done more often than vocal exercises, and preferably more times in a day for a shorter period of time. Since we are still working on our awareness and focus on our breathing, it's more beneficial to trigger this state a few times in a day.